gonna try this again. How is everyone? It's Rim Doctor 901 coming in at you, Memphis, Tennessee. Uh, Man, we got this wheel. We got this aftermarket wheel we're doing today. We got curb rash all over it. Um, Out here in Memphis, man. I'm not sure about everywhere else, but these kids like to slide around. They like to do them donuts. They like to, um, just act wild. They just like to they tear their stuff up. But it's all good. They come to me, and but man, first thing first, when you're painting a wheel and you're doing a wheel, man, you want to get that joker clean, man. You want to get it clean. Now I should probably have this flat down on the ground, but I'm gonna show y'all. You want to see what you're working with, man. You want to see what you're working with. Sometimes you see damage that you can't see because it blends in with the dirt, but okay, it is decreased. Make sure it's not my thinner. I like to have a bottle of diluted acetone. It just cuts through things a little bit quicker. Cuts through the dirt. But yeah, you just want to get a microfiber towel. You can get them a 20 pack of them at Walmart for $10. Man, this guy really did a number on this wheel, but it's all it's okay. Um, he is a member of a car club out here. I'm not sure what the name of it is, but you know, I told him, I said, man, besides paying me, of course, uh, spread my name. That's all I ask. Spread my name. We're all trying to make a name for ourselves. Do it yourself, but this is more of a professional type of deal. I'm not just slapping some spray paint on here. You know, I'm using real paint, high tech auto body paint, um, Gentech, kick ass. Well, that's what it's called, kick ass clear coat. Um, so don't try to flag me for that. That's actually what it's called. Yeah, we're just getting all this. I'm glad he didn't mess up the spokes too bad. He got a little bit. I can see down. He's just got a little bit of damage. It's all on the outside, the outer edge mainly. But man, we're gonna take care of that. So after I get this clean, I'll come back, let y'all see how it's done. That way, man, if you got a guy or a woman that says they know what they're doing as far as repairing your wheels, and if they're not doing it the way I'm doing it or anything close to how I'm doing it, man, don't let them mess with it, man. There's angles and profiles and lines you have to keep. You don't want gouges. You don't want dips. You want it baby smooth. And so when that paint goes on, man, you're not seeing any beginning and ending lines, sandy marks, all that stuff. So, but anyways, man, thanks for watching, and man, subscribe, like, comment. Um, I'm always looking for new advice. Um, I'll give it as long as it's what you do. I, you know, I don't want to. I'll give it either way. I'll take that back. So, But y'all get at me, man. Y'all keep watching, and to be a part two. Part two will be repairing it, getting the grinder out, getting the sander out. I try to get the best quality video I can. So thank you for watching. Rim Doctor 901.